Hi, and welcome to the company tax section for our Crunch video guides. This quick section is going to look at the company tax dashboard, show you how to record your tax payments and rebates, as well as keep track of your tax figures in real time. So here we are on the company dashboard page, and from here we can see our totals for the current period for any corporation tax, VAT, or pay as you earn if you have any. And you can see any totals for previous periods if you have had any. Most of the time you will see that there is an empty space here for pay as you earn and national insurance. You will only have a figure in there if you are taking a payroll beyond the amount that Crunch will standardly recommend. So when you come to make a tax payment, it's incredibly straightforward. You just need to follow the new tax payment button in here and record the type of tax, the date, and then the amount that the payment was made. Now bear in mind that with corporation tax, this is only paid once per year, once your company accounts have been filed and produced. So do bear that in mind if you're unsure about when your tax is due. If you're just getting started, please don't worry, you will have quite a lot of time before any accounts and tax are due. And of course, Crunch will be doing everything we can to give you all the information and notifications well in advance before any taxes are due. Now, in terms of tax rebates, if you're lucky enough to get one of these, you record it in exactly the same way. However, you just show the amount that was paid into you rather than the amount that you paid out to the taxman. So very nice and straightforward. We can record those tax payments and rebates, and we can keep track of any historical payments through the actual tax payments section. Also, we have incentive payments. Now, these can sometimes be paid out by HMRC as a sort of reward for early payment of tax. And if you ever do receive one of these, again, it's incredibly simple and straightforward. You simply need to enter the date, the amount, and then the account that the payment was transferred into. We can check back on the dashboard where we can keep track of our most recent payments. And we will see these tax figures go up and down as you start to record expenses, sales, and other types of items. So that concludes our quick look at the tax dashboard. We will take a more in-depth look at the VAT returns when we return for our next section of the Crunch Help Guides.